MediaMaster 6 comes with a license system that is both flexible and easy to use. In this video, we will show you how to activate a new license directly from MediaMaster 6, how to use a serial key to activate a machine without an internet connection, how to renew your license, and how to deactivate the software. We'll also show you how to move your existing license to a licensed dongle and how to upgrade your existing license and licensed dongle. Upgrades to MediaMaster 6 are available from MediaMaster 4 and 5 as a one-time payment with guaranteed free updates for the next 12 months included. You can subscribe to an additional 12 months of updates once the first 12 months have expired. If you've received an activation code either in the product box, by email, or in your account on our website, you're ready to activate your product. Activation of MediaMaster 6 can be done directly in the software if you have an internet connection. When you first run the software, you will be presented with the software activation dialog. Choose Use Activation Code and press Next. Then, enter your activation code and your email. Your email is important and will identify your account. If no account exists with this email, a new account will automatically be created for you, and a password to access it on our website will be sent to you. You will get a confirmation that your software is activated and ready to be used. If you have a media server that isn't connected to the internet, you'll need to use a serial key, which is a .ArKaos file. First, you'll need to register the product to your personal account. If your license has been purchased through the online shop, then it is automatically registered to your account. Otherwise, go to the website pro.arkaos.com and create an account or log into your existing account. Once you're logged into your account, click on Register a Product. This button will bring you to a page where you can enter the activation code. If your activation code is valid, you'll get a confirmation for the registration. In your account, you'll find an option called My Licenses. If you select this option, all of your registered products will be displayed. Click on View and choose Add Serial Key. You will be prompted for the machine ID and name of the machine to help you identify the machine later on. The machine ID is a unique identifier generated by the software for your computer. Note that different versions of the software can return different machine IDs, so be sure to check the machine ID within the correct version of MediaMaster. In MediaMaster 6, it can be found at the bottom right of the software activation dialog. Press the Generate Serial Key button. A new tab called Key will appear with a button to download your serial key, which will be a .ArKaos file. It can be copied to a USB or other media drive and transferred to the computer for activation of MediaMaster. Run MediaMaster 6. If the product is not yet activated, the software activation dialog will appear below. Otherwise, it can be accessed from File, Preferences, Activation, and click Manage License. Choose the Use Serial Key file option and press Next. Select the .ArKaos file generated previously. If the serial key is valid, you'll get a confirmation that your product is activated. After a period of time, usually a few months, the activation will need to be renewed. If your computer is connected to the internet, the application will silently connect to the website and renew the activation. If your computer can't be connected to the internet, you can easily download a new serial key as explained before and use it to renew your product. If your computer is connected to the internet, it's possible to deactivate and detach your MediaMaster 6 license from that computer. This will allow your license to be used again on another computer. To deactivate the software, start MediaMaster 6 and go to File, Preferences, and select the Activation tab. Here, press the Deactivate button. You'll get a confirmation that your software has been correctly deactivated. Since a licensed dongle can already be used on any machine, the Deactivate option will not be available when using a dongle. With MediaMaster 6, you can move any license to a dongle so that your license will always be with you. You can use it to activate any machine, Mac or PC, and won't need internet connectivity. Note that this operation is irreversible. You'll need the license activation code, an empty license dongle, and MediaMaster running on a computer with an internet connection. A license dongle can be purchased through your local distributor or on our online shop. Now we're ready to run MediaMaster 6. If the product is not yet activated, the software activation dialog will appear below. Otherwise, it can be accessed from File, Preferences, and on the Activation tab, click Manage License. Choose the option Activate License Dongle and click Next. Make sure your dongle is plugged in and that you have an internet connection. Enter your activation code and your email. If this code has been used before, the email must match the one that you used to activate the software. You can check this in your account on the ArKaos website. Click Next to activate your dongle. You'll get a confirmation message that you've moved your license successfully to the dongle. The license dongle will activate MediaMaster Pro or MediaMaster Express depending on the activation code entered. To upgrade MediaMaster, you'll first need to apply the upgrade to your license in your ArKaos account at arkaos.com. If you bought the upgrade through the online shop, you'll be prompted to select an upgraded license. If you received an upgrade activation code starting with MMU, log into your account, click on Register a Product, enter your upgrade activation code, and then select the license to upgrade. In both cases, by clicking My License in your ArKaos account, you'll see that your license and eventually its backup have been upgraded to MediaMaster 6. To upgrade your license dongle, plug the license dongle into your machine and start MediaMaster 6. An internet connection is mandatory. If you already have an online license of MediaMaster 6 active, go to Preferences, Activation tab, and select Manage License. In the Software Activation dialog, select Upgrade License Dongle. The software will automatically search online for the status of your license and update the information on the dongle. Once the upgrade is complete, you'll get a confirmation that your license dongle was successfully upgraded. You can upgrade a backup license dongle in exactly the same way.